Just leave it open.
Oh.
And then
Where is she?
she went to the restroom, so she'll be back. Okay. This is called rewrite the log because we're going to rewrite the log as an exponential and then find out what x should be to make it true. All right, so you start with the base. So what's the base of this? 2
X.
to the x equals 32.
I don't have a stencil.
Okay, and then you do 2 to what power? We get
Five.
that.
2 to 5.
How did you get that, Jamie?
Calculator.
Calculator. You just kind of guessed and tried it? Trial and error kind of deal? So he said, let's see if 2 to the 5th is it. 2 to the 5th equals 32. Okay? If you had tried 2 to the 3rd, that would be too low, so then you would try something higher. So on these, you just do trial and error at x equals 5. Okay? Now on the next one, how do you rewrite that one?
X squared equals 32.
Okay?
Yes.
Good. X to the 2nd equals 32. So now it's a little different. You're saying, what to the 2nd power would give me 32? Well, you're going to have to,
8 times 8.
how can we get the x by itself here?
Oh, wait, yeah, that's 8 times 4.
6 to the
You
6
square
to
root.
the 2 is 36. And then 5 to the 2 is 25.
Okay, so it's going to be a
5.6.
decimal. How do you get rid of the
You
square?
use the square root.
Square root. So let's square root both sides. So x equals, what's the square root of 32?
5.65.
5.66. Let's go with 5.66.
Ew. How about 6, 7?
Well, no, it was 5.656. Okay. Now, how would you rewrite this one?
32 squared equals X.
Now, this is the easiest kind because now all you have to do in your calculator is what?
32.
32 squared. 32 to the 2. 1,024. So x equals 1,024. Okay.
You want
So
to
that's
see this
these
on-
are the 3 different kinds of problems. Just for a second, before you start, would you look up here for a second? Okay, this is the kind of problem where x is the exponent. This is the kind of problem where x is the base of the exponent. And this is the kind of problem where x is the answer to the exponential. Okay. Let's do E together because this one's a little trickier. This is where x is the base. So how do you rewrite this?
X to the 5 over 2. Well, 2 divided by 5, which would be...
No, let's just
5
go
halves.
5 over 2 equals what?
32.
Okay. Now, we need to get x by itself, and you probably don't remember how to get rid of that 5 halves.
You
Put it over 2 over
2.
5.
Yeah, okay, we're going to raise it to the 2 over 5 and raise this side to the 2 over 5. So on the left, these cancel, and we just have x equals, then in your calculator, you have to put it in correctly, 32 to the, what do we need around the 2/5?
Parentheses.
Yeah.
What the heck, my phone's just sitting up?
So what do you get?
4.
4. So x equals 4. So log base 4 of 32 is 5 halves. Okay, I think you can do the rest of these. Do I need to start you on the first one?
No.
How would you rewrite that then?
You would put 9, 3,
Nine.
and... yeah, X.
9 to the 3rd equals x. Then you figure out what 9 to the 3rd is. Use your calculator.
What about on G?
Huh?
What about on G?
Oh yeah, G's a little different. Y'all want to skip down to G?
Sure.
Okay. How do you rewrite G?
9 to the x equals 1 over 81.
Okay.
So when you have to put a 1
9
over
to the
9x.
9 up to the 2 is 81.
9 to the 2 is 81. So this is going to be a 2,
It'd
but
be 1 over.
how do you get it to be 1 over 81?
No.
Remember?
1 over.
You make it negative.
Oh.
Remember, negative exponents mean reciprocals. Okay, so we could say x equals -2. Now, in your calculator, do 9 to the -2 and see what
It'll
you
say
get.
error.
Nuh-uh.
No. 9 to the -2. Whoops.
Point
And then that's not what we have, right? But if you do math, enter, change it to a fraction, it's 1 over 81.
Mind blown. Just kidding.
So x equals
Right. Okay, try all the others, and then there's some on the back too.
On add,
Yes?
got,
You got an E, didn't you?
yeah.
Okay.
Is that an exponent?
No, it means exponential notation. I mean, it means scientific notation. So, let's look at F.
It's 10.
What's the base on F? 10.
10.
-4.
So 10 to the negative 4 equals x. And what did we just say about negative exponents?
Yeah,
One
so
over.
It's 1 over. So we can change this to 1 over 10 to the 4.
So F is supposed to be 10 there?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's an understood.
Right, it's understood 10. All right, so what is 10 to the 4th? Just do 10 to the 4th. 10,000?
1,000. Yeah, 10,000.
10,000, isn't it?
So we
So
won
it's
over.
negative. I hope some people have
So-
some lead up in here.
X equals 1 over 10,000. I hope there's lead up in there too, because otherwise it's a goner.
Yeah, who has a mechanic? Come on, somebody. I see you over there.
Is there no more lead in there?
I don't know.